Okay, real quick. You're here because you're interested about a machine that I thought was so cool I had to make a video about it. So I want to make this interesting. Leave me a comment with a timestamp of letting me know when you found out what machine I'm talking about. I guarantee you it's not easy because me being almost 30, there's really no machine that I hadn't seen before in my life until last weekend. And let me tell you, this one drew a crowd. Hey guys, Andy from Cashflow Coma, and being in the coin business for going on a year now, a little more than half a year, I've come across a lot of different kind of coin operated machines, from vending machines to laundry machines to arcade machines to other kind of dispensing machines. I've seen a lot of them, but this one was so unique and it drew such a crowd. I'd never seen anything like this, even in my arcade days. And even with arcade machines, I mean, if you've seen one, you've pretty much seen them all. You only have a couple of different machines, really. Pinball machines, screen machines like Galaga or Pac-Man or any of those type of machines that operate on a screen. Hockey machines, the basketball machines, coin pushers. I mean, there's really only so many before you've seen them all. And they all pretty much have the same objective. Finish to the end of the level, finish the maze, shoot all the bad guys, whatever it is, we've pretty much seen them all. This one, though, was so unique and it drew such a crowd. I had just never seen anything like this. Now, I had been in bars before with a couple of machines, maybe one or two basketball machines, maybe a skee ball machine, maybe even one or two pinball machines, but this was like a full laid out arcade bar. It was nice, it was beautiful, and it was just actually really enjoyable, you know? So I decided to check this out and to kind of go ahead and show you guys. Now, bear disclaimer, I did come in on a Wednesday early evening just to make sure that there weren't that many people so that I could show you guys better footage of what it looks like, because this place actually gets really packed. Now, this machine was actually very simple, and here's where I'm going to start giving some clues. So the sooner you hit that timestamp, the better. This machine had no screen. It only had two joysticks, and all you did was balance a ball, and the objective was to get the ball in the hole that was lit. And most of you who are arcade veteran guys probably already know, this machine was called Ice Cold Beer. And basically the objective is, like I just said, you just have two joysticks, you control two balancers on the end, and you have a large stick in the middle, and you balance a little metal ball, and the board is full of holes, and the objective is to get it in the hole that is lit, to get the ball in the hole that is lit. Now, some people could not get past 1 or 2, and those were the ones at the bottom, and then 7, 8, 9, and 10 were way up high. This machine drew just an enormous crowd like I had never seen before. And for any business owner who understands this, not saying this in an evil way, but addicting is good. And I remember one guy, after I had been playing, came up to me and said, "Oh, nice, I got up to 7 last weekend." Keyword, last weekend. This guy is a regular here and he loves that machine. And I just thought it was so awesome because it's such a simple machine, and I almost thought, like, man, I kind of want to put one of those in my laundromat. But yeah, the whole objective, all it was to balance that little ball, avoid the holes that aren't lit, and to get them in the hole that was lit. Now, me, myself, I got this, and I got up to, what was it, 7, 8, or 9? I have the footage playing here. But yeah, it was so simple and so fun and so satisfying, and I just had to keep playing. And like I said, addicting is very good, in a good sense. I mean, we're talking about arcade machines here. But yeah, guys, I just thought it was so simple and so fun and so easy. And the crowd that it drew was immaculate. Unfortunately, I cannot find one of these things anywhere. I checked eBay, I checked Google Shopping, I checked all kinds of other various shopping websites. This thing must be very rare. I mean, I'm almost 30 and I had never seen this machine before in my life. I'm just very astonished at the crowd that it drew. And if you could have seen, if I would have showed you footage of Friday night when I was there, the crowd around it was immense. And for any laundromat owners or arcade owners, if you don't have one of these machines, I would definitely look into getting one. The problem is that, like I said, they're so rare, I couldn't find one anywhere. You would have to know, and especially with machines that are this niche, you would have to know like arcade owners or an arcade bar owner, if you have one of those in your city, yeah, I couldn't find this thing anywhere. And I just think it would be really awesome to have one of those in there. If I had the room in my laundromat, if I wanted to sacrifice laundry basket space, I would definitely have one of these. And if you like talking about businesses like laundromats, car washes, self-storage complexes, vending machines, arcade machines, real estate, stocks, if any of that interests you, consider subscribing and share with a friend. That's all I have for you today, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.